Hey guys, it's Todd Vance with Crypto Jitsu. Today I wanted to go over the Porter Cable circular saw, how to install the blade. I tried this a while back and did a terrible job of it, so this is my second attempt. But I bought this a few weeks ago. I love this tool. It's battery powered. It's got a lot of power. It does what I need to do, which is just occasional projects around the house. Now when you get it, you're going to see it's got a little piece of paper right here on it. Right there, and that's telling you that lefty's not loosey and righty's not tighty. It's righty is loosey and lefty is tighty. So first thing you're going to want to do is take that off, get this bolt out of here. If it's tight, on the back side they provide you with an Allen wrench. If you don't have an Allen wrench, you just pop this out. Boop, Allen wrench popped out, right? And so you'll get this bolt out of here. So you're going to pull her out. It's really hard to do backwards. So I'm going. Am I going out? I think I'm going out. It's easier backwards because it's backwards in the first place. So you're going to loosen this bolt all the way up. It's going to pop off. Your paper's going to come off. You can lose the paper if you want. I like the paper. I keep it. And then there's another piece on here that you're going to want to pop off. Right? So that's off. Now you've got just this, okay? Now, if it's tight and you have to use the Allen wrench, one little trick, they provide a red button to stop this thing from turning. If you're trying to loosen it or tighten it and it's turning forever, it's because you have to depress this red button over here while you turn it. So they think everyone has 3 hands, and I don't. But no, I love it. It's still good. It's not that hard. You just would hold it down and start turning, right? So now that I have this thing off, I need to bring this up. Okay. Some people suggest when you're using blades to use like a safe thing on your hand so you don't cut your hands. Use that if you want, if you don't want to cut your hands. I've never cut my hand on a blade, but I'm not telling you not to use bare hands. Okay, your hands will look ugly like mine. Possibly. I've never cut myself. But anyway, you want to pop this over. Okay, so this is I'm gonna try really hard to show you a good description of how to do this. So what you got to do is first of all, you want to put the letters. You'll see I've been using mine. Right, you want to put the letters in side up so that the teeth are going this way, because you're going to be going this way and you want the teeth going this way, right? So letters face forward. Don't try to come straight up. It's really hard. Your best bet is to come from this side, come from this side where you're holding this thing, right? And just try to sneak it under there. Once you sneak it under there, you can get it under that one, and then it fits like a glove. Piece of cake. Voila. Let that go. Put your thing back on. It's got a nice little notch, so it has to fit just right. And then take your paper, keep your paper, and go lefty-tighty. Right? Hand tighten that bad boy. Hand tighten it, hand tighten it, hand tighten it, hand tighten it. You know, once you get a hand tightened, now you'll push the red button. You'll do that because you have to figure out how to hold it. So you hold the red button, put it on your chesty there, and again you're going to go to the left, and you're going to get it about hand tight, and there you go, man. You're ready to roll. Make sure if you're doing this, take the battery out. Be safe. Be careful. Don't cut your fingies. All right. So this has been Todd Vance with Crypto Jitsu, showing you how to put this blade on Porter Cable. It's a great little tool. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.